Hey friend, let's fix this giant hole in my daughter's wall. So it looks like the previous owner of our house decided to drill all the way through the foundation and everything. So there was this huge hole in my daughter's wall that was driving me absolutely crazy. So today we're fixing it. So you're going to need all your supplies. I just got a patch kit and the brand I went with was Gorilla Glue. It worked really well, but I did read reviews on quite a few of them and they all seem to have pretty good reviews. So I don't think that's going to matter as much. First thing I did was I got the sandpaper and I started sanding down the edges so that whenever I did apply this little paper, it applied very easily and flat. You are supposed to take that plastic brush and just flatten it out, which I did not record. I'm sorry, it was really hard to do that and record at the same time. So then you're just going to grab some of this paste and just start applying it over that hole. What you don't see is I did fill the hole with a little piece of paper. You don't have to do that, but I read that it does help, so that's what I did. And this did end up taking a couple of layers, but after I did the first layer, I just took my sandpaper and I just smoothed it out. And after this, I could kind of see the little bit of the paper from underneath the paste, so I did just apply another layer after that until it was nice and smooth and to my liking. And this is where things got interesting because I thought my daughter's room was white. And also make sure you shake your paste, guys, or have your husband do it. Shout out to the husband. You're the best. But once the paint is completely shook, next pro tip is to make sure that it is the right color. In my defense, this did look completely white, but plot twist, it's not. There must be a little hint of purple or something in there, because when you see how this dries, you're going to be like, what the F, Amber? And don't worry about that white stuff on the carpet, that's just from sanding. As you can see, I took the opportunity to go ahead and fix a couple of other spots in my house that needed a little touch up. Luckily for me, those actually matched in color, but unlucky for me, my daughter's room, I'm going to have to come up with something creative, because that definitely doesn't match. Yeah, very different. So stay tuned for the next video when I get creative and find a way to make it work.